What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. I live in the suburbs, and I'm on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we can, we make sourdough, we do other recipes. Yeah, that's what I do here. So if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, that's cool too. Thanks for stopping by. So, normally, I would not just film this recipe that I'm making, although I've never made it before, but I wouldn't normally just film this recipe, but we are leaving on vacation in a couple days, and I'm trying to make a couple videos ahead of time so I can edit them and upload them and schedule them for while we are gone. If you are really interested in where we are going, we are going to meet a couple of friends, one of my best friends from high school. We are flying to Las Vegas. They live in North Carolina. We live in Missouri. We are all flying to Las Vegas. We're going to spend a couple nights in Vegas, and then we're going to drive to California, go to Disneyland, go to the beach. Then we're going to drive back to Las Vegas and fly out of there. So, if you're interested, that's where we're going for vacation. And I will try to film some of it, make a little video of it. It probably won't be very good, but it is what it is. Anyway, tonight I'm making soup for dinner. It's getting on to summer, and it's not going to be cool much longer, so I figured maybe tonight would be the last night that I make soup for a long time. And I'm going to make a chicken Parmesan soup, and I've never made it before. But I was looking at the recipe, and it called for diced tomatoes, of which I don't have. I don't think I have any, but I do have spaghetti sauce that I canned from this summer. And in reality, this is just tomatoes and salt, with a little bit of garlic in it. That's it. Basically the same thing as diced tomatoes. Kind of. I mean, they're tomatoes. So, in replacement of diced tomatoes, we're going to be using what we've canned, what we grew this summer. So, my suburban garden it's providing for us. Anyway, I should probably stop my yapping and get to making dinner. So let's go chop some onions and garlic. Full onion. Now it does say to add 3 cloves of chopped garlic, but my olive oil is garlic infused, and I'm just gonna add some garlic powder that I made from my summer garden. And I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. And I'm going to let this cook for like 5 minutes-ish. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes, so what I'm going to do is add 4 cups of chicken broth, and then 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add in my either diced tomatoes, but in my case, it's pasta sauce. Alright, and it's just 2 cups of water. I'm just gonna fill this pie jar with water. And also, it does say, now, hold on, let me let you all look at me. No, it doesn't matter. Now, it does say to put 3 cups of rotisserie chicken in here. I went to 2 grocery stores today and none of them had rotisserie chicken, unfortunately. So I just boiled some chicken thighs and cut them up. And I don't think it's not 3 cups. It's like 2 cups. It's good enough. So I have boiled, cut up chicken thighs, but it calls for 3 cups of rotisserie chicken in case anyone actually wants the real measurements. Okay, so whoa, I'm gonna just go ahead and add this in also. Calvin's like, guys, chicken. All right, this would be the time where you would add 2 cups of, once this turns to a boil, you would normally add 2 cups of ditalini or any like small pasta and cook the noodles in the soup. But Jonathan really doesn't love like leftovers when the pasta has been like sitting in the soup because they get really mushy, like the pasta gets mushy. So I'm gonna cook the pasta separately in its own water, and then when we dish up our soup, I'm just gonna put a little bit of pasta in each bowl and then soup in each bowl. Do what you want. This is really just a personal preference thing. So yeah, I'm gonna let this simmer for a little bit, get all the flavors good and yummies, add some salt and pepper, and then we're pretty much ready to eat. Okay, so I'm gonna make my bowl and then I'll have Jonathan come in and do his. But I just like it better this way. Like, you can kind of control the amount of noodles you put in it, and your noodles don't have to get soggy. I'm gonna top it with my favorite cheese. Now everyone can see. Alright, I'm gonna have Jonathan come make his now. And he'll try it. Okay, Jonathan made his soup. He's gonna try it. Oh, zoomed in. Yeah, it's really hot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean,
Really good?
it tastes like a pasta chicken parmesan soup.
Yeah.
So it's what it's supposed to taste like.
Yeah, it tastes good.
Yeah, and it's smart to do the noodles like that so they don't get soggy.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Why didn't we ever think about that before?
I don't know. I literally have no idea, but I finally did, and now you can be happy.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know what this is gonna be, but maybe Jonathan will be in it. Maybe he won't. Okay. Bye.
Bye.